Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This issue usually happens because your account's content or age settings are too restricted for the experience you're trying to join. First, open Roblox and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon, then select Settings from the menu. After that, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Next, tap on Content Maturity. Here, you'll see different options such as Minimal, Mild, Moderate, and Restricted. If your account is set to Minimal, you won't be able to join many experiences. To fix this, change the setting to Restricted. Keep in mind that only users aged 17 or older can access restricted experiences, so you'll be asked to verify your age. If you're unable to verify your age, simply set the content maturity level to moderate instead. This will still unlock more experiences and should remove the authorization error in most cases. Once you've updated the content maturity setting, go back and try joining the experience again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.